Hello everyone, here is how to write a YouTube video script with Jasper AI. So the first step is to sign up on Jasper. If you haven't, click on the link in the description to sign up and get 10,000 free words and 5 days free trial on Jasper. Once you've signed up, you'll see this interface that says dashboards, templates, summarizer, documents, recipes, and art, and then you click on templates. Once you click on templates, you want to scroll down, go down till you see YouTube. Okay, here it says YouTube description, YouTube script, hook and introduction. This is great. We click on YouTube script, hook and introduction. So here we have a title. You can impute your title, but for the purpose of this video, the title is how to make money online, just because lots of people want to make money online. And then the tone of voice is, it can be anything from witty, friendly, disappointed, polite, but I love fun and conversational. Once you've chosen that, then right here you click on generate. Okay, you can also choose the number of intro hooks that you want Jasper to generate. So if I were to choose one, then Jasper will generate just one video hook for me right here. Okay, if I were to choose 3, and we'll have 3 video introduction hooks right here. Great. Okay, so this says, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online without any investment. Hey there, my name is this, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make some serious cash. Very good hook. This says, I'm going to show you how to make money online without any investment. Okay, these look very similar, so we can change the tone of voice to witty. Okay, and then change this to how to make money online fast, and then generate something else. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this says, yeah, in this video I'm going to share with you my top 3 tips on how to make money online fast. Okay, this looks very good. Yeah, great. You can just click on that one, and then yeah, we can use this one. This looks very good. Okay, let's go on. You click on open in docs, and then you Jasper will copy that specific hook and then place it right here for you to work with. Okay, so yeah, great. Okay, so once you have that, click on this focus mode. So you have your intro hook, your intro and your hook full screen. Okay, so now we have the introduction, we have the hook. The next thing to do is to modify the document by imputing a content description, your tone of voice, and the keywords. Okay, so the content description is essentially telling Jasper what you're doing. So you type write a YouTube video script on, make sure you put YouTube video script so Jasper knows that it's a script and not an article, on how to make money online fast. Okay, great. So if you have any specific points you want to use, you can also add it here. So let's say um, affiliate marketing, Amazon KDP, let's say freelancing. Okay, great. So now we have all of these, and then you can also give Jasper further instructions. So for example, I could open a bracket and say explain with examples. Okay, this is great. Okay, and then you can choose, and then outro. Okay, great. So now Jasper knows exactly what we're doing and what you want in the video script. However, if you don't have any specific examples, don't worry, Jasper can generate examples for you. Okay, so here it says tone of voice. Again, you can put witty, fun, and conversational. Keywords, make money online, enter, okay. Then right here it says output length. So just choose long, that's L for long. Great, so now we're done with the hook, the introduction, and we've told Jasper exactly what we want by inputting the content description, the tone of voice, the keywords, and the length of the script. Okay, so let's click on Control and J. So you can click on Control and J if you're using Windows, click on Control and J. If you're using a Mac, you click on Command and J. Okay, this instruction tells Jasper to keep writing. Okay, that's what this means to Jasper, keep writing. So right here where Jasper stopped, you just click on Control or Command and then hit J, and then Jasper continues writing. So let's see, tip 1, affiliate marketing, just like we have here. Okay, you can see here it says, for example, because we already told it to explain with examples. You know, it's great. So there are tons of different products you can promote as an affiliate. Okay, let's see. Jasper keeps writing. We have Amazon KDP. I don't do this, but apparently Jasper knows exactly what it means. Um, so you can see Jasper is also giving you examples. Jasper tends to follow a format. So because you have an example under affiliate marketing, you also get examples for all of these because it just assumes you love examples. Okay, this is great. We've been able to write a 500-word script in less than 3 minutes using Jasper AI, and this is 100% unique, accurate information, stellar English. You don't have to worry about grammatical errors. Yeah, this is great. This is a complete YouTube script, and if you got some value from this video, kindly click the like button and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you haven't signed up on Jasper, kindly click on the link in the description to sign up, and you get 10,000 free words and a 5-day free trial. You can cancel your free trial at any time, and once you're on the free trial, you have access to the YouTube intro and hook templates. Okay, so you need to sign up to be able to use all of these. Click the link in the description to get started.